Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge. Oh yes, $1 to $10,000. I don't want to mention more because right now in this video I would like to tell you some things. Someone who must have invested just $1 on Shiba Inu when Shiba Inu was actually flowing. That was in the late 2020. $1 investment, just a single dollar, $1 investment on Shiba Inu would have returned $1.4 million by 2021. Wow. I hope you might be doubting it, but go and check the record. $1 investment on Shiba Inu in the late 2020 would have returned about $1.4 million. That is in 2021, towards the end of 2021. So for Shibadoge, I'm about to do something. $1 investment on Shibadoge, let's go for 1,000,000% increase in price. If you decide to buy just $1 worth of Shibadoge token right now, this is the money that you can just forget about it. Remember, I did a video one certain time, I was like, let's go for 50 coins with just $1 each. And imagine that, though we selected these crypto coins, we make sure we select coins with good project. $1 each, but just invest what you can afford to lose. You can go for $2, $5, or $10 each, but I'm doing this $1 today. At least I wanted to bring it down because, like I normally said, don't invest what you cannot afford to lose. Now $1 on Shibadoge, and this coin have over 15 zeros, about 16 zeros. Just killing out, deleting 4 zeros of these will give us 1,000,000%. What's the worth of 1,000,000%? If you're investing $1, it is $10,000. Wow, this is a lot of profit. Imagine investing just $1 and you're getting $10,000. Now let me bring it down to Naira. $1 to Naira is about, in the black market, is about 740 Naira. That is like you're investing 740 Naira, and by the time you make $10,000, your money will be worth about $7.4 million. Imagine turning 740 Naira to $7.4 million. 7.4 million Naira, sorry. So that is a huge profit, right? So $1 to $10,000 definitely is a lot of profit. So that is truth. And I love this coin because they have good project. And I believe they will keep on pushing, they will keep on trying to achieve more, and I believe with time, definitely Shibadoge is going to be at the top. $1 to $10,000 is possible. Don't say it is not possible. Imagine investing $1 on Dogecoin. Go and check record. Just $1 investment on Dogecoin would have given a lot of profit. $1 investment on Dogecoin. Dogecoin have hit a lot, deleted a lot of zeros. You would have made over $10,000 on Dogecoin, maybe towards $10,000 to $100,000. Okay. Now this was about in the year, let's say between the year 2013 down to the year 2021, because last year 2022 also happened to crypto industry, and of course so many coins dropped. Dogecoin was actually trading before at 27 cents. Yes, at 27 cents for dropping to about 6 or 7 cents or 8 cents right now. So let's use 2021 statistics. 2013 to 2021 is about 8 years. Now imagine investing $1, and after 8 years you are realizing you have actually earned over $200,000 or $150,000. That is a life-changing testimony. That is a huge investment. That is going to be the biggest profit, the biggest return on investment. Wow. So this is crypto industry for you, and that is why they keep telling people, if you don't have a crypto coins, please build your future. But remember, in this industry, anything can happen. Buy what you can afford to lose, invest what you can afford to lose, but at least buy some crypto coins. Don't just leave crypto coins. Don't, if you're behind of a cryptocurrency, please try to invest, but just invest a little, invest and be specific. Do your own research and know the coins you have to choose. Know the coins you need to invest. So for Shibadoge, it's one of the coins me personally, I love this coin because of their plans, project, and so many things. Well, please remember, this is not a financial advice. Kindly like my video, share our video, drop your opinion in the comment section below, and please remember, This is not a financial advice. Invest what you can afford to lose. Once again, thank you for stopping by.